Good evening everyone, thank you for tuning in. This is IWO Ultra 3 Apple Watch Ultra Clone, and this is a dedicated medical device. So we are going to compare the sensors of this clone watch versus a dedicated medical device. This is an oximeter and it can measure your blood oxygen and the heart rate. So first we are going to try measuring the heart rate. Turn it on, and I need to place my finger on this sensor to make the right measurement. Turn on the watch and start the heart rate. The last time I had 82 beats per minute. Now I need to keep my hand like this. This watch was having a problem about its compass feature. It wasn't working and the touch screen was awful. But a few days ago, they released a firmware update, and with that firmware update, at the moment this watch works flawless. The touch screen sensitivity is awesome, compass is working, and other stuff was already working. And the only thing that I didn't test is the sensors, and at the moment actually it's still measuring, and also the medical device is still measuring. So 83, 75, see, 74, 83. It is close, but not exactly true, so you cannot trust smartwatches as they are not medical devices. You can just, use them as general reference information for your general health condition at that moment. But if you need some data for your treatment in serious conditions, you have to rely on dedicated medical devices. See, 81, 82, it always changes, but it is close enough. And now, as you can see, it shows 99%. So let's reset and start measuring again. This time we are going to measure blood oxygen rate. Okay, and last time it showed 98%. I cannot show it to you at the moment because I have to keep this flat without vibrating. So if you are looking for an Apple Watch Ultra Clone with a working compass and nice touch sensitivity, this is one of the nice options that you can consider to buy. Okay, let's see. It's still measuring. The medical device takes a little bit long time because it makes better measuring, the true one. Yes, and the vibration came from the watch. It shows my blood oxygen is 97%, and the dedicated device, the medical device, says it's 99%. Just 2% missing, and now it's 1% missing. Close enough, but not the exact like a dedicated medical device. Okay, this was the sensor test for the IWO Watch Ultra 3, the Apple Watch Ultra Clone. If you would like to buy one for yourself, you can find the links in the description. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.